Here we grow with our Wormchar on the left and non-Wormchar on the right. Both of them have great blue ribbon premium soil. The only difference is the one on the left has been inoculated with the Wormchar, Wonderly's Wormchar. And I just wanted you to have a visual of that. You can see some red tomatoes on the vine on the left, and I believe there's tomatoes on the right somewhere, or at least flowers. But the plant on the left, the tomato plant and also the cucumber plant, they're thriving actually. Cucumber plant is taller than the one on the left. It has more tomato vines, and the one on the right, it's doing good but not exactly great. But here is an example of what you can get, or even better, in your garden if you apply the Wormchar, which is filled with micro beneficial organisms for your plants and your soil.